Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Harchi Creations. In this video I would like to describe a very pretty and easy knitting stitch pattern. It is a open work knitting stitch pattern. From the right side it looks like this, and from the wrong side it looks like this. Friends, this pattern can be used for making any knitting project like sweater, jacket, scarf, cardigan, etc. It is only 4 rows repeat knitting pattern, and stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 2, or we can say even number of stitches. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Friends, please also hit the like button and share my video with your friends in your groups and keep supporting me. Thank you. Friends, for the demonstration I have cast on 10 stitches on my needle, 10 multiple of 2 or even number of stitches. So let's start the first row of the pattern. Right side, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is knit these 2 stitches together through the back loop like this. Now drop the stitch. Now again knit this stitch. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and repeat pattern is knit 2 stitches together through the back loop and then knit the same stitch. So repeat pattern is knit 2 stitches together through the back loop like this, and again knit this stitch. One more repeat, knit 2 stitches together through the back loop like this and knit this same stitch. One more repeat, knit 2 stitches together through the back loop like this and knit this stitch again. In this way we will complete our first row. At the last I have edge stitch, so knit the last edge stitch. Second row, wrong side, slip the edge stitch. After that purl 1 stitch. After these 2 stitches our pattern will be start, and the pattern is yarn over, purl 1 stitch, yarn over, purl 1 stitch. This yarn over will balance the stitches that I have decreased in the first row, so here stitches become equal. Then again yarn over and purl 1 stitch, yarn over and purl 1 stitch. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So here again 10 stitches are formed. Third row, right side, slip the edge stitch. After that knit all the stitches in the third row. So let's complete this row by knit all the stitches. Fourth row, slip the edge stitch. After that purl all the stitches. So friends, after the 4 rows our pattern is ready like this. We will repeat these 4 rows until the desired length of our pattern. When we repeat these 4 rows we will get a pattern like this. Friends, I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting with us.